The exclusive Lichtsinn RV installed Revel package provides additional power and additional living and storage space in the already dynamic Winnebago Revel 4x4. The Lichtsinn Storage and Power package, referred to as the LSP package, combines the GLSS system by Canyon Adventure Vans with an additional 320 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. This battery, when paired with the Revel's standard 320 amp-hour battery, provides a total of 8,266 watt-hours. The lounge area GLSS system creates another livable space and storage area inside your Revel. The system is lightweight and durable, made with 80/20 aluminum. The LSP package begins with the addition of bench seats on either side of the Revel gear garage area. The passenger side seat measures 45 inches by 10 inches. The driver's side seat measures 48 inches by 16¼ inches. These bench seats provide a comfortable seating area, and the cushions are marine grade, so they will hold up to whatever your Revel adventures have in store. A lagoon mount table can be added for a flexible addition for a secondary dining surface, game nights, or work surface, and it fits perfectly inside the Revel's gear garage. The power lift bed of the Revel can be completely lowered with the LSP package. When the bed is lowered, there is a 3¼ inch gap from the bench seat to the bed and 25½ inches from the bottom of the bed to the floor. When the power lift bed is raised, there is 41 inches from the bench to the bottom of the bed. Below the bench seating, you will find added storage space. On the passenger side, you will have a long storage area measuring 38½ inches in length, 5¼ inches wide, and 16½ inches high. On the driver's side, you will find the additional lithium-powered battery. This battery, when paired with the Revel's standard 320 amp-hour battery, provides a total of 8,266 watt-hours. The battery side measures 21¾ inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 16½ inches in height. Next to this battery, you will have an additional storage space to store your gear. The storage side measures 21 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 16½ inches in height. This additional storage space can be accessed from the side as well with the gliding storage doors. 2 cargo nets are included on each of the seat ends for additional storage. The system includes proper ventilation gaps to ensure your Revel batteries have sufficient ventilation throughout the bench seat area. There is enough storage space in between both storage seats to add storage bins or a bicycle or two. The area from bench to bench measures 20¼ inches wide and 54½ inches deep. Accessing the rear of the LSP package, you will find additional storage. Here you will find 2 rear power switches that will be installed so that you can easily turn off either battery individually. You will also have rear access to the additional lithium battery and access to the under bench storage space. On the passenger side, you will also have access to the easy-to-use manifold water system. The flexible and removable lounge clips can be adjusted to move your cushions wherever you wish along the bench. With the clips in place, the flexible lounge area can be converted even further. You may add 1 cushion so that you can recline while still keeping the walkway to the front open. Finally, turn your lounge into a relaxing daybed with the addition of the 2 lightweight cushions. This area measures 46½ inches wide and 48 inches deep. Add the Lichtsinn Storage and Power package to turn your Revel garage into the ultimate power and storage area. A certified Lichtsinn RV RVTI certified technician will install the exclusive LSP package for you. Contact a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant or service consultant for additional details on the exclusive LSP Revel package.